But yeah, I'm late. Well, late on recording. See, the inside of the headlight was dirty as shit. Got dead spiders and ladybugs and wasps and grass and really just debris. And the best way to clean it out, instead of buying a new one, like I was about to do, is you put the you put the headlight in the oven for approximately 10 minutes. Had to kill a wasp. You put it in there on 250 for approximately 5 minutes, so it can warm the glue up enough so you can split it apart like so. This is the inside of the headlight lens. Cleaning the inside because it was pretty dirty. I'll cut it up.